I could say only thing, I've tried it now for 8 weeks, and what I can see is definitely my 11s is getting they are not gone. I will not say that things will be gone. And especially my lines around my lips, they are still there, but they are definitely improved and less notable. Hi everybody. I love beauty. I love buying makeup, creams, things that can enhance your face like nothing else. Why do I do all of this, you ask? Of course, I have the channel here, Empowered Beautiful Aging, but I also do it for me because I think it's especially important when we go up through aging that we do not lack on things. Lack like doing nothing, thinking, oh, I'm old, so I don't have to do anything. I think the world is now that we all want to look our best, even if we are not young anymore. So I got a new tool from Mimi Silk, and it's the Iris, and it's a fractional at-home laser. Fractional laser is something you can only get in a clinic normally, but this is at home approved. So I really like it because you don't have to go to a salon to get laser that costs you thousands of dollars every year. But Mimi Silk has made this. It has a head here, and when you turn it around, it has options. It's scanning your face, so it have lasers for your forehead, your cheeks, your upper lip, your peripherals here, and it's absolutely what I wanted. Because I do have lasers, but they don't have this capacity of the Mimi Silk. There's actually Danish technology in, and you know I'm Danish, and we really have quality products, and our engineering is just perfect. So I can say only thing, I've tried it now for 8 weeks, and what I can see is definitely my 11s is getting they are not gone. I will not say that things will be gone, are not so visible anymore. And also my lines out here by the eye, they are not so visible anymore. And especially my lines around my lips, they are still there, but they are definitely improved and less notable. So I've been using it on my forehead, on my lemons, on my cheeks, and on my upper lip, and also down on the chin here. And I use it about 4 times a week. It does hurt a little bit, but it's nothing serious. And I often say you must suffer for your beauty, and that is also a sign that it's working. What you do is you use it like this over, and it just scans. So there's I have other lasers where you have to do this, click a button every time. This just runs over like this, and I do it like this, and again over here. It has minutes for every place because of course your skin is very thin out here, so it also have a program for that, has program for the cheeks and the chin and the upper lip. There is 3 levels. Of course, you have to start with number 1 level, and then you can go up. So you use it for about 8 weeks, where you do all of these places. If you want, you can also use just for your upper lip, for example, and take a picture before you start it, and again after 8 weeks. It has a program how much you have to use it these 8 weeks. And I really love that. And when you're finished with the 8 weeks, you do 4 weeks where you don't use it. And that is absolutely amazing, because then you don't have to think about it. It's actually easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, and I love it. And I love that it's a fractional, and it's much better than any other lasers there are for home devices. So this has definitely improved a lot of things. Also, you get more collagen. I can see a more plump skin. I have not been using any other devices while I've been using the Iris. So I can really see what it does. And it also leaves your skin like you have a better texture, and you have a more glowing skin, I will say. So if you want to try this out, definitely see my link down below, where I also have an offer for you. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. This is also, it's not a lightweight, so it's some devices you feel like it's cheap plastic. This, you can feel the heaviness of the technology inside, and I really like that, because a tool doesn't have to be this cheap plastic, if you can understand. This is quality. This is engineering. It goes very deep into the layers, as non-LED mats can do. No creams can penetrate so much as this, and especially if you do it in the right patterns. So that was all for me, the Iris laser. Check the link down below.